Hello students, so in this question, according to according according to conservation of conservation of energy, energy can be energy can be energy can be transferred from one form to another form. Now now in pendulum now in pendulum now in pendulum when pendulum when pendulum when pendulum is at extreme position extreme position extreme position, it acquires